Alexa, turn on studio.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off LED display.
Okay.
Alexa, रेड लाइट ऑन करो. Alexa, ग्रीन लाइट ऑन करो. Most of you have watched my previous project video. In that I had shown part of this project in Flashback C. Hello friends, welcome back to another Do It Yourself project video. Tried my best in explaining each and everything to do this Do It Yourself smart project. Still, if you are having any doubts, mention them in comments section below. I will try and give the solutions. Friends, I am Vijay Thomas and you are watching my YouTube channel BBN Creations. In this video, I am explaining how to make Alexa voice controlled equipments at your home. If you are not subscribed BBN Creations, then please subscribe and press bell icon for watching my upcoming interesting videos. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Project chapters are items required for the project, for items online procurement links, please check my video description. Circuit board cabinet making process. Circuit board fitting inside the cabinet. Wiring diagram. Cable connection in circuit board. Programming ESP32 with Arduino IDE application. For getting basic idea of Arduino programs, please watch YouTube available videos. All required files, circuit diagrams, Arduino sketch zip files are uploaded in my Google Drive. Links are available in video description. Setup of Amazon Alexa application and adding Wi-Fi devices. Testing the device with Wi-Fi voice and manual switch. Alexa, turn on studio.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off studio flashlight.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off camera double light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off star light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off LED display.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on LED display.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off blue light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off yellow light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off green light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off red light.
Done.
Alexa, red light on करो. Alexa, green light on करो. Alexa, yellow light on करो.
ठीक है.
Alexa, blue light on करो. Alexa, star light on करो.
Okay.
Alexa, studio flashlight on करो.
ठीक है.
एलेक्सा कैमरा डबल लाइट ऑन करो. एलेक्सा कैमरा डबल लाइट ऑफ करो. एलेक्सा
क्या?
स्टूडियो फ्लैश लाइट ऑफ करो.
ठीक है.
एलेक्सा रेड लाइट ऑफ करो.
ठीक है.
एलेक्सा ग्रीन लाइट ऑफ करो.
ठीक है.
एलेक्सा येलो लाइट ऑफ करो.
ठीक है.
एलेक्सा ब्लू लाइट ऑफ करो. Thanks for interest in my project videos and spending your valuable time for watching my creative do-it-yourself project videos. Please wait for my next episode on how to make Alexa voice controlled door.